Hey guys, Pooltech 805 here. Let's do this unboxing. I got a GoPro Hero Black 7. I've already removed the outside shell so you guys don't get to see what that involves. Come on over here. There's some behind the scenes stuffs going on, you guys, that we're dealing with, so just work with us here. Strip's been removed. Box has already been opened up. Here we go. Here's the unboxing, starting from this point on. Everything's brand new. We've got a little spacing case here, custom molded design, white. We got a GoPro quick start menu. GoPro stickers, 2 in quantity. Need help in multiple languages, you got it. We got a GoPro big instruction book. Nothing comes with instructions these days, so be grateful for what you got. Come on over here. We got the guy in question. It's tiny. Look at that. I've never owned a camera like this before. It's ridiculous to me how small it is when you think about how much they're charging for it. But it's pretty nice. I guess the smaller, the more expensive it is. Here we got a box. It's a mystery. This was bought at Costco, so whatever kit they have, I couldn't tell you what it is, but we'll learn together. I didn't even look. I just figured it's time to get one, and Costco has the best deal. Okay, here we got a cool anti-slip rubber band. These are great for if you run out of hair ties. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of the interview with this strapped to my head, and later I'll tell you guys how it feels. Yeah, come on up. We're doing a YouTube video. What's up? Okay, never mind. Can you go back? Real quick, I'm just going to mount this to my head. And we'll deal with it later. Let me just keep this on for now so you guys can see how cool it looks. Okay, so besides that, we got obviously the screw, charging, battery, the 3M double-sided tape, mounting adapter, another one. You should probably put in your car or something. Like I would ever do that. I would want as a record of my driving. Okay, this is some type of clip, probably for this, who knows, who cares. A case. And of course, if you have a Nintendo Wii, a spare nunchuck for the game. Must be like a promotional tie-in or something. That's it, guys. Here's your Hero 7 Pro Black unboxing by Pooltech 805. Look forward to some crystal clear HD video once we get this thing up and running. Peace out!